Hello, young programmers. Hope you are doing great. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to solve a super easy programming problem of LeetCode named Richest Customer Wealth. So this is basically a easy programming problem to start with in LeetCode, and the description of this problem is you are given the bank balance of a series of customers like two different customer have three different bank account, and you are given that you have to find out who is the richest person. So here in example 1 we are given a two-dimensional array. The first element like this in the array represents the bank balance of first customer in different banks, and the second part represents the bank balance of the second customer in different banks. So we have to find out which the richest, and as you can see in example 1 both customer has the same amount, so the answer is 6 and we have to return the same amount. In example 2 we have three customer and each of the customer has bank balance in uh, two different banks. The first customer has 1 and 5 in two banks, second customer has 7 and 3 in two banks, and third customer has 3 and 5 in two banks. So apparently the second customer is the richest, and the example 3 is with three customer and each customer has three different banks. So we've got the idea of this problem. As always, I'll solve this problem in IntelliJ with Java. So let's dive into coding. So we have a template here with Java. I am copying this and pasting it in IntelliJ. So here, since LeetCode doesn't provide the main method in their coding template, I have already written the main method in my self-made class, and I have already generated a sample input and printing the output here. So here I will write my code. So since this is a two-dimensional array, I will iterate the arrays with the help of for each loop. So in Java it works like this: for int each instance of the two-dimensional array int account colon accounts. That means we are iterating the each element in two-dimensional array, which is also an array. So for that, so I'm getting the single arrays in this two-dimensional array like this, as I have selected the part. So I've got a single user's bank balances. So I have to add the three elements here, and again these three elements, and again these three elements, and find out which the richest person here. So to do that, I will again iterate the individual bank balances with another for each loop like this: for int balance colon account. So you got the idea here. So to keep track of the individual maximum amount and total maximum amount, we have to define two variable here. So to sum the individual amount, I am declaring a variable inside the first loop like this: int individual amount equal to 0. Okay, so each time I'm adding the balances of a single user like 2, 8 and 7 in this example. So I'm adding this like individual amount plus equal balance. Okay, so I'm getting the total balance of a single customer in different banks, and after getting that I have to compare with another customer if he's the richest or not. So to do that I have to declare another uh, another variable which has the maximum balance. So variable will be like int max amount equal to 0. Okay, so to get the max amount, I will write a conditional statement which will be like this: if individual amount is greater than or equal to max amount, then max amount equal to individual amount. So what we are doing here, first of all, we are summing these three and finding the total individual amount, and again we are finding the summation of these three and checking which one is bigger, which summation is bigger than other. So if this one is bigger, then we are storing the bigger value in max amount. Again we are iterating the last one. If the last one is bigger than the previous one, then we are saving the greatest value in max amount. Okay, so after doing that, we will return the value. So here I'm returning max amount. So here we go, this is the solution of the problem. So this, if we run the code here, you can see what is the answer here. We can see the answer is 17, and which is the correct answer because 2 plus 8 plus 7 is 17, and other 3 and this 3 is smaller than this one. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to copy this solution class completely, because the first part, the richest customer class, is written by me to run in this IntelliJ. So I'm copying this and pasting it here and running my code. So as you can see, yes, it is accepted, and I'll submit my code now. Let's see if I can solve this problem. Yes, the runtime here is 0 millisecond, faster than 100% of Java Online submission as of 2021 for this richest customer problem. So that means a lot to me because I have taken very minimum time, and probably the uh, um, probably this is the best solution according to runtime. Okay, so thank you guys. If you have any question about this problem or any problem, feel free to comment here, and thanks for watching my video. I'll make another video later. So until that time, have a great time and start solving more complex problems. All the best.